Okay, fine. I'll stop.
Wait, I gotta fix this side first. Oh, that's the speed of light.
Those with the eyebrows, like.
What?
You should have double eyebrows.
Or make them bushy.
I need some ointment.
I need some.
You also need a beard. Need some bouquet.
Oh, that's so much.
Oh my god. You're not allowed to cross the border. Let me get my marker.
No, look at his mustache. Ew, your face.
Jake, move.
No, he's trying
Hey,
to
Jake,
copy
say hi.
No, he's trying to copy me. I'd rather have Jake's cat.
He's literally trying to copy me.
My mustache is better.
No, it's not.
You look like some ugly cat Mexican guy.
You look like a fucking
That's
homo.
racist to Mexicans all around.
You're just fading though. Cause mine looks better though. Let me see still. Can I feel it?